health coaching here. I was a high school teacher for 26 years and consequently I rarely ate garlic because invariably if I'd eaten a lot of garlic, I'd go into the classroom and one of the kids would say, "Oh, what is that awful smell?" So what I did was I invented a Tabouli recipe that's actually halfway between Tabouli and gremolata. So I've got beautiful parsley in it, and parsley has really good oils for cancer. So I've got parsley in it, I've got fresh mint, that's lovely. Everybody knows that quinoa is a superfood. I've got onions, tomato, lemon. Now I've got the lemon here, I've got the lemon juice here, but I've also got the lemon rind. And the reason I've got the lemon here for the lemon rind is because it's much harder to grate a lemon when you've already cut it. Trust me, I know, I've done it many times. As a Canadian, despite the fact that I've lived here a very long time, I call this cumin, but I've heard it said is cumin and whatever. You know what it is, it's not a rude word, but it tastes great. Now I've also got the garlic that I love so much, and finally I'm just very quickly going to add some Celtic sea salt from a seashell. So here we go, let's mix this up. The parsley, that's also an antibacterial and an antifungal, as is the mint. We've got the quinoa, beautiful quinoa, a superfood. Onions, yum, I love red onions. Tomatoes, beautiful fresh local tomatoes, gotta love a local tomato. Now, we're gonna add our lemon, our cumin or cumin, or whatever you wanna call it. Here's our garlic, which is the whole reason that I invented this recipe. And finally, our salt from our seashell. It looks cool, but it's a little unwieldy. Mix this up. They talk about us eating from the rainbow, and if you look at the colors in here, it's so beautiful. It is just brimming with freshness. And then finally, because I'm smart and I haven't already cut this, I would grate in some beautiful bits of lemon. So, you can't smell this, but I can. And it already smells beautiful and fresh. So here you go. This is Kim's Tabouli that you can eat even if you're a high school teacher. Enjoy!